becomes child's play. Each fun letter has a vehicle friend. Learning and play, a perfect blend. A is ambulance with sirens loud. E, the bus that brings a happy crowd. C, the car goes roam around the town. And write it neat, no need to frown. Dump truck carries sand with might. E, electric train, fast and bright. Fire truck rushes through the street. Each new word is a learning treat. Pick a flashcard, shout its name. Draw a color, fun learning game. Write the letter 1, 2, 3. Mom and Dad say, you're smart, you see. Writing letters is easy to do with your favorite vehicles too. Zoom through learning night and day. Cars and letters, hip hooray! Will now learned her A to H. With trucks and cars, she turned the page. She wrote by hand a driver's ID. Look, Grandpa,